quickly be talking you through your growth toolkit because we prepared a couple of resources and tools that you can use to power the growth based on everything that you've learned today. So I'm going to quickly talk through them. Then Temitope is going to come back and we're going to go for the Q&A segment. So if anyone has any questions that you haven't shared in the Q&A box yet, please share them in there and we'll be handling them in the Q&A in the next couple minutes. Okay, so growth engineering, as Temitope previously mentioned, is about thinking about ways to grow your business systematically over time across all areas of your business's value chain. So product, marketing, and operations. So naturally here, we prepared a couple of things that can help you out in each of those areas. So we scoured the internet, we looked high and low, and we found a couple of things. Some of them came from our partner Visa. Some of them also came from their practical business skills site. And all of these tools and resources are linked in your workbook. So if you go to this page in your workbook, you can click on them and you can find out more information. So definitely go and check them out because we have guides here. We have specific tools you can use for marketing, for example. So this is a lot of really helpful information, but it's easy for me to say it's helpful, but you also let us know in the feedback after the session if you need some additional help, and we'll be here to support you. But from the product side, you can see we've included a guide on understanding the market. So if you're going to be marketing your business, it's important that you not only understand your customers, like we showed you through the exercise, but then also your competitors. And that guide will be fantastic for that. With the marketing side of things, if you're kind of new to marketing your online business, this is a great resource guide to not only let you know about the couple tools you can use, but what are the fundamental elements of marketing your business online and what are some of the channels you can use that might be best suited for your business. Each of you are unique. So for example, maybe you wouldn't just say to yourself, I'm going to use Facebook, I'm going to use search engine, I'm going to use everything. You want to pick and focus on the best ones that are actually going to get you results. And all of the tools and guides that we've shared in the marketing section should be helpful for that. And then when it comes to scaling your business operations, one part of that will come from you actually growing the revenue for your business, but then the other part is how do you actually replicate what you do on a larger scale? So you might hire more employees, you might increase the capacity of your site, you might do a couple different things, but specifically we've shared some tools a guide on employee management and growing your team. So hopefully these should be helpful. If you require anything else, you can also let us know in the feedback after today's workshop. But yes, that pretty much sums up your growth toolkit. And that is it from me.